I can't accept that you are watching me and following me and you can't sell your own articles. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the core solution you need to sell your own articles as you like a boss. And of course, you wanna sell your articles here. There are many different ways. Even you can sell your articles if you are working as a freelancer on different websites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on. Or you can head over to different websites like writersweekly.com. Here you can go to this amazing website, and here you can scroll all the way to the bottom to find this section right for us. Then you can write for them and pitch your story to this platform. Or you can find some amazing popular websites like popsugar.com. Likewise, here you can go to the bottom part here. You can find this one right for us, where you can send them your story, your articles as you want, or literally you can sell your own article to them. Or if you're just if you're just fond of making your own website or platform to sell your own articles as BLR to a specific audience, like these websites like BLR.me. Here, this website based mainly on selling huge amounts of these BLR articles in different niches and different topics. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the 6 amazing tools you've got to rely on to build your own business, to sell your articles like really professional man. Here, these tools here as you see. And now we can start with the first tool. For sure, that is the Ask to Income tool. So what is the treatment Ask to Income tool? When you head over to this tool, Ask to Income, here you can turn your real people demand into digital income system. Of course, here this amazing tool, Ask to Income, as its name suggests, here you can turn real people frustration, real people questions and demand to income systems. Here you can actually find in this amazing tool a huge database of the niches here, the highly demanded niches. Here for sure you can find autism, camping, dating, and so on. For sure here it's covered by many of these websites need you to write articles for. Like in, for example, like in Bob Sugar, you can find these topics like for beauty, parenting, fitness, identity, relationships, and so on. You can find most of them listed here on Ask to Income niches as you observe. So for example, if you go to this one, dating, relationship, another example, and you can find these topics here, the hot and trending topics regarding this niche, as you see. So if you go to this one, for example, how to make your own relationship stronger here, okay, like this one, for example, then you can find here for this topic exactly the most pressing questions people are asking on a daily basis on Google. So that's the way you can convert these questions to beautiful income system or articles here. This platform would love you more to accept these articles. People need to read or to watch its topic on videos and so on. So for example here, you can go to one of these questions or you can go to another topic as you like here, like how to make a relationship stronger, for example, as you see. Okay, that's it. So you can pick one of these questions, okay, like the first one or something like that as you observe, like this one, for example, and or this and so on. Then, or you can go, or you can actually go to this if you don't actually rely on and depend on or use this database. It's up to you to insert here your topic or your idea or your niche you can get from your platform you are dealing with or your from client from the freelancing platforms as you want. So for example, I just repeat this one, for example, okay, just uncheck this one and okay, I want to build my own income system based on this question or this topic idea, like Ada. Okay, that's it. So here you can answer this question to the system of your Ask to Income tool. Then here you can scroll to this section, the golden section on Ask to Income that says content to cash asset packet. Here you can convert this question to beautiful income assets, including these amazing and golden buttons, the 20-day smart look content and the blog articles. Here it gives you, by clicking over this button, a huge report of the best topic ideas, the 20 topic ideas based on this question to build your own asset articles or videos. People need to watch or read these articles or these videos. So when you click over this button, 20-day smart look content around this specific question, here you can find this amazing report or this amazing output like this, as you observe, like why do I communicate more, advice is overrated in relationships, and so on. I ruined my relationship by ignoring this one key factor, and so on and so forth. And of course, these are not random topics, but based on angles and aspects and perspectives of your target audience in different ways. Like the first one, like hot take, story time, warning, comparison, alert, misposting, science, head-to-head, tutorial, data, transformation, transparency, challenge, and much more. So you can make your own bundle of these articles or videos as you want here based on single question people really passionate to read about or watch these videos. As you see here, for every single topic you can find two different options. Either you can convert this topic exactly to article or a video. For sure, we are talking now on a specific core that is making your own articles here or sell your articles. So you can convert these topic ideas to beautiful article. So if you click over this button article here, you can find just in 50 seconds, you can find here this amazing article waiting for you as you observe. And for sure, it's not like any other article from any AI tool, because here it gives you the full humanized article, more than 2,000 words, and optimized for all AI search engines and Google. And for sure, with the first one here, direct answer summary here, or citation to Google AI mode, or citation for ChatGPT and anything else, and packed with free copyright, free commercial images as you observe. So here you can find this one. I just convert this one, for example, the second topic here, and click over this button article, and here you can find this amazing result as you see. Beautiful, isn't it? And of course here you can find, as you see here, humanized, perfect, more than 2,000 words, headings, subheadings, bullet points, and frequently asked questions here, final note, and so on. And not only that, here on Ask to Income tool, you can get this article as it is as a PDF file here, and for sure it's more beneficial for you to sell your own PDF to your client as a freelancer, or you can package all these topics as a huge bundle as PDF files, or these core and these related articles as you observe. Or even better, you can copy this article to paste everywhere, anywhere as you like. That's the most beautiful juice here from Ask to Income. Perfect, isn't it? So here the first tool here, Ask to Income, to generate huge amounts of these articles as you like. So the second tool here, for sure, if you just wanna go actually to the second one here, to your knowledge, most of these websites like Top Sugar or Writers Weekly need only one copy and actually get the whole copyrights for this article. So you can't actually post the same article or this original one to a different platform. Okay, so here it comes as the rule of the second tool here to make your unique copies and humanized copies and unique. That says the spinrewriter.com. As you see, SpinRewriter enables you to generate huge amounts of these unique and humanized articles after rephrasing, rewriting your original one as you like. So here you can get from one original article, more than 500 unique copies. Okay, that's it. And of course, all of them are SEO organized, SEO optimized, and for sure humanized as much as possible. So here you can use SpinWriter to generate huge copies of your own single article. Then you can go through the third website here. That is a Gumroad. For sure here, if you're just working on freelancing platform, it's okay to just send your client your own articles here you have made on Ask to Income, or you can actually Ask to Income. But what's about make my own bundle digital product to sell as a BLR to a specific target audience? Here you can upload your own PDF files or your articles to a specific, the most popular digital product selling, that is a gumroad.com. Here you can make your package of your own 20 articles around a specific topic or specific question, as I said earlier. Then you can upload them, all of them, to gumroad.com. Then it's time now how you can actually make promotion or marketing to my own bundle here as digital item on Gumroad. The easiest way for sure just by making posts and ads and promote this amazing digital item package on different websites. And for sure, regarding making your attractive asset or your thumbnails, here you can use this amazing fourth tool, that is the Gemini.Google. Of course, it enables you to generate high quality and impressive thumbnails like on Pinterest, and of course Pinterest, Instagram, and so on, to promote your own digital item package around your specific topic here on different platforms. So you can use Gemini to create your own posts, ads, Pinterest pins as you want. And actually, not to mention, here also on Ask the Income tool, you can generate high quality Pinterest pins and titles, and for sure the prompts to generate your own Pinterest thumbnails or Pinterest images also on Ask to Income. And here regarding the promotion tools or promoting platforms, here you can make your own Pinterest pins. So you've got to promote your own digital items as well here on Pinterest.com. For sure here, it's an amazing website, it's an amazing platform to get huge traffic and sales regarding specific niches like for the dating, relationships, parenting as you want. So for sure, you can find many people looking for to read articles here around a specific topic or to solve a specific question or a problem as you like. Or even better, you just got to make your own articles here also on medium.com to promote your own package of your articles here on medium.com. So you can focus on a specific niche or specific angle of your subniche or niche. Then you can get more traffic from your audience to get and buy your own package of your articles as a BLR or as a readers as you want. That's why you can actually take a benefit of all these sex tools to make money online selling your own articles as a BLR, as digital items, as a freelancing as you like. So you can find for sure all these links down below in the first comment and description box are waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.